Good evening, everyone. My name is Ming Chen, and I'm the marketing lead of Legal ID, a team dedicated towards legal diversity and inclusion. Alongside our engagement lead, Luigi Yanto, it is our privilege to share the story of our initiative this year. Diversity is the badge of freedom. This is a quote from His Honourable Justice Michael Kirby, Australia's first gay High Court Justice. This quote perfectly encapsulates the purpose of our team, Legal ID.
At Legal ID, we envision a legal community where diversity is not just acknowledged, but celebrated. Our initiative strives to break down barriers, promote inclusivity, and empower individuals from all backgrounds to strive in the law. Guided by our own diverse team of Monash Law students, we've taken steps to bring that vision to reality this year.
To achieve this vision, we began this year with a simple yet powerful goal: to ensure our digital presence reflected the vibrant community we serve. In accordance with that goal, we completely overhauled our website and Instagram, creating a brand image that fits with our motto, embracing diversity, upholding equity. We then launched our LinkedIn page to catalogue our impact. The result? We grew our social media following tenfold, proving that there is a powerful, growing community eager to engage in these vital conversations. This was our first major step in breaking down barriers and making the conversation on legal diversity accessible to all. However, a platform is nothing without a message. So we moved to actively promote inclusivity by using our platform to spotlight underrepresented voices across the legal profession. Through our monthly publication, Legal ID Footnotes, and our flagship podcast, Voices on Balance, we published 8 articles and 4 podcasts from June to September, showcasing career insights and featuring advice from gender diverse and POC legal professionals, directly highlighting the people who are making our industry more inclusive day by day. We recommend you go check out those resources if you haven't done so yet.
This year, we also hosted the Legal Kaleidoscope, Legal ID's first ever physical event since its conception in 2021. At this event, we welcomed a sold-out audience of over 40 Monash Law students alongside guest speakers from Unveiled Law, Clayton Utes, HSF Kramer, and Minter Ellison. The event spotlighted diverse pathways into legal practice, facilitated important dialogue about what inclusion in the legal profession looks like, and generated countless connections between students and commercial legal professionals. We then shared our panelists' and attendees' reflections across our online platforms, ensuring that we continue to champion diverse perspectives beyond the event. Finally, we once again ventured further than what previous Legal ID teams had achieved, broadening our mission's reach to aspiring legal professionals at a high school level. We partnered with the Monash International Affairs Society to deliver a moot court experience and workshop for Year 11 and 12 students, inspiring the next generation of lawyers and offering them a tangible glimpse into tertiary legal studies. We also attended Access Monash's inaugural Effective Outreach workshop, strengthening Legal ID's relationship with the university's key initiative supporting high school students from underrepresented backgrounds. We aim to continue partnering with Access Monash next year.
Now speaking on our goals for the upcoming year. First, we will build on the success of our Legal ID Footnotes and Voices on Balance podcast by evolving our conversations to underscore non-commercial careers. We want to ensure that everyone, regardless of their career aspirations, can see a path for themselves in this profession.
Secondly, we aim to expand the Legal Kaleidoscope into an annual industry event that continues to showcase the kaleidoscope of experiences that make up the legal community. We specifically intend for next year's Legal Kaleidoscope to cater to students aspiring for a career beyond commercial legal practice, featuring representatives from the public service, the judiciary, in-house legal, and even non-lawyers whose work intersects with the legal profession. We also hope to continue expanding our community outreach initiatives to bridge the gap between high school and the legal profession. Next year, we aim to deepen our collaboration with Access Monash to co-develop tailored workshops and mentorship opportunities for underrepresented students, ensuring that we continue investing in aspiring legal professionals no matter their circumstances and stage in academics.
Finally, we are excited to announce new plans for a new Legal ID initiative, Legal ID Webinar. We aim to host a series of live online conversations with legal academics and professionals, creating an accessible forum for deeper discourse. We hope that this will reach a wider audience of aspiring legal professionals who will feel empowered to engage directly, ask tough questions, and be equipped with knowledge to confidently navigate their legal careers.
As we keep investing in our vision of a legal community where every voice is heard, we invite you to invest in us. Together, we can turn this vision into reality.
I just wanted to understand the thinking behind limiting the number for the industry event, which was the Legal Kaleidoscopes. That was 40, not limiting, but 40 students. So was it limited to 40 students, or can you expand a little bit on that?
Yeah, so I think I can take that question. So we had generated for more than 40 Monash Law students this year, of course. But given our budget, and this is something that we plan to increase next year, that was the amount of capital that we were able to inject into that and that we can cater for.
Yeah, sure. And another quick question. With the community outreach and the students who did the moot court tour and stuff, how many students attended that?
So it was a cohort. It's a cohort of about 50 students, if I can remember
50
correctly.
students, great.
From year 11 to 12.
Excellent.
And just to add on to the previous bit about our industry event, one of our goals, as we mentioned before, is to expand the legal kaleidoscope. And one of the goals as well associated with that is to keep it as a free event, to make sure that it is accessible to as many aspiring legal professionals and law students as possible. So we do hope that we can invite more law students to our Kaleidoscope event and also invite more panellists, and that would be possible through, I guess, the budget that's up to $1,000. Thank you.